Question number 3. If Prakash sold Jawar on 75% of the 19,500 square meter of his land, means children here total area is given to you. Yes, means he is having land of how much area? Correct, 19,500 square meter. Means is it 100%? Total land means 100%. Yes, from that how much he sold Jawar they have given, but they have not given in meter the answer, but they have given the answer in percentage. So from this total area, that is from 100%, he has planted how much or sowed how much area? 75% area. Means suppose here, say I'll show in diagram form. Suppose this is your Prakash land. How much it is total? 19,000. How much? 500. Is it? So 19,500 square meter total area. This is half. This will be quarter, means 4 parts. No, means 100%. From this 75% he has sowed Jawar. Okay, so 75% area is covered with Jawar plantation. So you have to find out how many square meter did he actually plant Jawar. So children, in percentage the answer is given. You have to find it in meter, means how much meter land is cultivated with Jawar, you have to find out. Okay, first what they have given? 75% of land is cultivated. Yes, so we are going to write, see this is solution for third sum. Okay, percentage of land sowed by Jawar, it is equals to how much? 75%. Now next what they have given? Area, no? Total area. That is, so what we'll write? Total area of land, that is equals to how much? 19,500 square meter. Yes. Now what you have to find out? How many square meter did he actually plant Jawar? Yes, so we will write actual area sowed by Jawar is equals to question mark, because we don't know how much actual area is sowed by Jawar. Okay, so now we will assume this only. Okay, let actual area sowed by Jawar be, which alphabet shall we assume? Okay, we will take x square meter. Okay, x square meter. Now first percentage, did they give us how much percentage it is planted? Yes, 75. So how we are going to write the ratio? 75 out of 100. Means in diagram I had explained to you, if it is 100%, then from that how much is the planted area? 75. So we have written 75 upon 100. Okay, now what we have to find out? Out of this area how much is planted? So equals to area planted, that is we have assumed as x, upon total number of area, that is how much? 19,500. Did you get the equation? So we have taken ratio of what? Area planted by Jawar upon total number of area. Okay, so now we have to solve the equation. See children, it's very easy. In the earlier sums are variable. This is what? Variable. Yes, alphabets if we use to solve the sums, they are called as variables. Okay. So now our variable is to our right hand side. In earlier sums it was to left hand side. So now we will interchange. This equation will take here and this one we will take other side. See, x upon 19,500 is equals to what? Correct. 75 upon 100. Did we do? Now pay attention. With our variable, which number do we have? Correct. We are having 19,500 and the relation is division, x divided by or upon 19,500. So now what we are going to multiply on both the side? Yes, multiplying 19,500 on both the sides. Okay, so first we will write and take x upon 19,500 is equals to 75 upon 100. Is it like this? So we will multiply 19,500 on both the sides in this way. So this will be cancelled. So what will remain here? Only x. 2 zeros will be cancelled with this 2 zeros. Okay. Now what we have to do? Correct. We just have to multiply. What is that? What is remaining here? 75 into 195. I will show here itself. So what is remaining? X is equals to 75 into 195. Okay. So now multiplication I will show to you all in this rough work. Okay. So 195 into 75. 5 5s are 25. 5 9s are 45 plus 2 47. 5 1s are 5 plus 4 9. Did you understand? Now add 0, cut out this. 7 5s are 35. 7 9s are 63. Yeah, plus 3 66. 7 1s are 7 plus 6 13. So did you get? Now we'll add 5, 7 plus 5 12, 10 plus 6 16, 4 1. So what is our answer? Yes, 14,625 means x value is how much? 14,625 square meter. Did you get the answer? So what will be our last statement? Yes, what we had the last statement here? How many square meter did he actually plant jawars? Therefore he, what we will write the last statement? Wait, I'll show you. Okay, see. Therefore he actually planted what? Correct. Jawar on 14,625 square meter of land. Okay. So this is your answer. Okay. So what you are going to do, children? Please don't write this rough work here. Okay. Now take the screenshot. This is the first part. Okay. Please take the screenshot. Very good. This is our first part, which is continued by this part. Okay. Take the screenshot and complete the sum in your CW. Question number 4. Soham received 40 messages on his birthday. Of this, 90% were birthday greetings. How many other messages did he get besides the greetings? Okay. So now just see, I'll explain it to you. See in the diagram form. Suppose these are the birthday messages. Okay. This box are his birthday messages. Yeah. So total how much birthday messages did he receive? Correct. 40. Means 40 is his total. Yeah. 40 is the total, means 100%. Yeah. From this 90% means this much. Yeah. 90% birthday greetings he got. Yes, what did he get? 90% birthday greetings. Yes, what you have to find out? You have to find out the other messages. Did they ask you to find these other messages in percentage? No, they are asking number of other messages. Yes, so see children, 40 is your total. 90 from 40, 90 you all got birthday greetings, and remaining whatever will be that will be other messages. Correct? From 100 if 90 goes, surely it is 10%. But are they asking you the answer in percentage? No, they have just said, see what they have said. How many other messages did he get? Many means number they are asking. They are not asking you percentage. Yeah, 10% we know. We have to find number. Okay, so see, for that what we have to do, from 40 we should subtract this. But if you will see, it is in percentage. So first what we are going to do, this percent we are going to convert to a number, and then when we get that number we will subtract it from 40. This number we will subtract from 40, then we will get number of messages which were other messages. Did you understand? See, I will explain to you again, okay? But by solving I will explain. See, first what they have given us, 40. See, solution of fourth question. Number of messages is equals to 40. Yes. Next what they have given, of this 90% were birthday greetings. Of this 90% were birthday greetings. Yes. So what we will write? Percentage of birthday greetings is equals to 90%. Okay. So percentage of birthday greetings is equals to 90%. Yes. Now what we have to find out? Other messages. How many did he get? Yes. So number of other messages is equals to question mark. Okay. Now to find this number, this is a total number, but number of birthday greetings is in percentage. So first this percentage we will convert to number. Okay. Now see how to convert. Let number of, this is in percent. Yes. Now we'll find in number. Let number of birthday greetings be y%. Y, not percent. Be y. So what we have written? Let number of birthday greetings be y. See, 90% means out of 190 we are having birthday greetings. So how we will write this? 90 upon 100. Ratio will be number of birthday greetings upon total. So 90% means out of 100 we will have 90 birthday greetings in percentage. But now what we are taking? Our total is how much? 40. From that, number of birthday greetings are y. Did you understand? This is percentage of birthday greetings and this is number of birthday greetings. Did you understand? So y number of birthday greetings are there from 40 messages. So we will interchange these fractions or these ratios. Y upon 40 is equals to 90 upon 100. Okay, now y's value you have to find out, means number of birthday greetings you have to find out. Yes, so with y we are having 40, so we will multiply 40 on both the sides. So y upon 40 into 40 is equals to 90 upon 100 into 40. Okay, so 40 and 40 will go. What is going to remain? Y. This 0 with this one, this 0 with this. So 9 4s are 36. Yes, now what is y? Correct, y is number of birthday greetings. So did we get? So we can write, therefore number of birthday greetings are 36. Yes, now what we have to find, children? Yes, number of other messages. Is it? So we'll write here, see, therefore number of other messages is equals to, so what is the total number of messages? Correct, 40. Yes, so 40, from that birthday greetings are 36, so we'll subtract 36, then whatever answer we will get, that will be other messages. So 40 minus 36, correct, 4. So our last statement, see what they were asking us. See here, how many other messages did he get besides the greetings? So what we will write? Therefore he received 4 other messages besides birthday greetings. Did you understand? So underline your main answer, that is 4 other messages. Okay, did you understand how to solve? So now what we will do, I'll just hold it properly. See, till here you take the screenshot and complete the sum. Did you take a screenshot? Okay, now the remaining part, take the screenshot and complete the question 4 in your CW.